Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve hunter eyes. This method focuses on natural facial restructuring through consistent habits. You'll learn simple techniques to enhance your eye area and overall facial aesthetics. We'll cover tongue posture, chewing, and other daily practices that contribute to a more defined look. Get ready to discover an easy, non-invasive approach to achieving your desired appearance. Mewing is a foundational practice for hunter eyes. To do it correctly, ensure your entire tongue, from tip to back, presses firmly against your palate. This consistent pressure helps to subtly reshape your facial bones over time, providing better support for your eyes. Make this a conscious habit throughout your day, even when you're not actively thinking about it, for the best results. Beyond mewing, several habits can further enhance your eye area. Practice facial exercises such as gently raising your eyebrows and squeezing your eyelids for a few seconds each day. Also, focus on chewing your food completely and evenly on both sides to build strong jaw muscles. Remember, good posture, with your head held high, also plays a significant role in supporting your overall facial structure. Remember, transforming your facial structure takes time and consistent effort. Don't expect overnight changes. Instead, focus on making these practices a part of your daily routine. With dedication, you will likely see positive, subtle shifts in your eye area and overall facial definition. And speaking of making things easier, check the description below for a link to these fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, plus other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.